Hello, loving the real world. You can see behind me here the downspout that was actually a waterfall the other day. Not good. Oh well. This episode we're going to try to fix that problem where it doesn't happen again. And for the cheap. So, come along with us on this venture. See what we do. Let us know how we could have done something better. We always look for your comments there and always reply to them. So we had to make some decisions. There was two different type of basins I could go with. Both of them 12-inch. One was only 2 inches deep. The other one was, I don't remember how deep it was, but it was much deeper. Here's the first one. And it was for like $21. And this was the second one, right here. It was like $52. Let's see, that's a $30 difference. Now the problem with the first 12-inch, it only has a 2-inch drain on it, which is really a flexible drain, which is actually smaller than 2 inches, I believe. But anyway, I knew we was gonna have problems. So, did some research, and I could find a toilet flange like this one for only $4. The toilet flange takes a 3-inch pipe, so I had to get a 3-inch 90 degree like this, which was just $4.75. And that way I could hook up a 3-inch drain pipe like this that I had scrapped around the basement from my last plumbing project. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put all this together and see if we can make something work. And tell me what you think. Okay, as you can see here, it looks like we might have something going. I don't know. Anyway, the trash kind of washes down the wedge, and the water still is able to flow out the drain. So after the first rain, we don't have any water in the basement. So I'm thinking we may be good. We only can hope and pray. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Loving the Real World. And if you got anything out of this, any enjoyment, please like and subscribe. We need your help. Talk to you later. See ya. Bye bye.